To install safety switches and fuses, you will need the following tools and materials: mounting screws, switch box, level bar, power drill, conduit connector or adapter, fuse, and fuse clip. Determine the exact location of the installation based on the plan provided. The mounting height of the safety switch must be 5 feet or 1,500 millimeters from the floor finish up to the center of the safety switch. Install a mounting screw for the top mounting hole. Hang the switch box. The hole in the upper middle back of the housing should slip over the screw head. Using a level bar, check for the horizontal and vertical alignment of the box. Locate the holes for the remaining mounting screws. Install the lower two mounting screws. Make sure that the box is leveled horizontally and vertically. Open the desired knockout holes on the top and bottom of the switch housing. Cut the wire entries, providing few inches for allowance. Strip back one end of each wire, enough to make a connection with the terminals. Install the feeder through the conduit connector in the top of the switch housing and connect the terminals on the line side. Firmly tighten the terminals to the manufacturer's torque specifications. Keep in mind that a loose connection is one of the crucial causes of electrical problems. Install wires through the conduit connector in the bottom of the switch housing, then connect it to the load side terminals. Make sure to install the wire neatly to prevent the wires from rubbing against any metal edge. Firmly tighten the terminals according to the manufacturer's torque specifications. Cut a piece of wire to the measured length. Strip back the lower end of the ground wire. Install it in the ground terminal and tighten it. Form the ground wire neatly so that it will not touch any moving parts of the switch. Insert the fuses in the fuse clip. Take note that the fuse clips must fit tightly on each fuse.